Hello, in front of me I got Realme C35 and in this video we'll be unboxing it. So we need to start by cutting the foil all around the box, and we're gonna do it in the corners, not to damage the box itself. So simply cut the corners and remove the foil like that. So this one actually just slides down from top to bottom like that. Okay, we can take that aside, because here's the information, but it's in mostly in Polish, so let me actually read you the English version, which is located right here. So this one is Realme C35. It has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It's the glowing green version of the case. It has 50 megapixels AI triple camera, and it also has the 16.7 centimeters and it's 6 by 6 inches Full HD full screen. It has 8.1 millimeter ultra slim version, and it's 5000 milliampere hours. It's a massive battery. So okay, now that we've actually read that, we can open the box. Inside we can find instructions. Yep, all of the instructions. Let's just take them aside for now, because we don't need them. You can actually find the SIM card needle inside right here. Here we have the phone itself, and to just take it out, simply pull on that piece of paper and you can pull it out. And here we can see pretty nice cover already. Here's the charger, so it supports the fast charging, and it has 80 volts. So here's the cable as well. That's pretty normal. Let's just take it aside for now. We can again look for anything else in the box, but there's nothing. So here's the phone. It's protected by the foil. To open it, simply take it on the other side where you can see the green case and peel it off like that. Now let's take it out, and it's pretty nice, very nice. I like that cover. It's actually quite beautiful, but it leaves a lot of fingerprints all around. Yeah, but everyone will probably use some kind of the case to protect it anyways. So we have the camera here, 3 cameras and the flash, of course, 15 megapixels. Here's the speaker, the C port for the charger, and the microphone and jack. Volume up, volume down key on the left side, and the SIM card, which you will need to get a needle for. And here you can find the storage card along with the SIM card. Okay, here's the power or lock key, and probably fingerprint scanner along with it. So that's everything around our phone. Here's the front camera. You can find it right here in the middle, and it has some kind of screen protection already installed. It's pretty nice. Let's unlock our phone. It needs to power up, and I didn't mention while it's open, I can say that it's MSRP, the cost for the phone. You'll get around $182 US. Okay, it booted up. We can select the language which we're gonna use for our phone. Let's keep it with English United States. We can press continue or go for emergency calls, and here you have accessibility. So if you want to change the size of the fonts or anything like that, it can happen right here. So let's continue. Pick the region. For me it's gonna be Poland. I have read agreements, continue. Connect to Wi-Fi. You can connect, you can go to the next step without connecting. Let me actually do that. It's connected. We can go to the next step. More. You can accept to any of this. I'm just gonna keep everything accepted. And here we can check where the fingerprint is located. So let's just lock our phone with a fingerprint. Set up the screen lock with a pin. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat the password. And next we can try setting up our fingerprint. Yep, it's located right here. Let's just try setting up the fingerprint scanner. It's set up. Press next and go to continue. And our phone is ready. Get started. So we can see the main menu. Let's lock our phone and try unlocking it with a finger. It works fine. Let's go to the settings and check the phone information in about phone. So here's the name. It's Realme C35. It supports Android version 11. Has the processor, of course, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of device storage. So everything's right. What else we can do here? Let's go to the camera. Agree while using the app, and let's check out the camera. So here we can change the HDR. Let's just make it on to improve quality, and let's try testing it. Okay, we already have a few apps installed by default, and it's PUBG Mobile, LinkedIn, Booking, and Amazon Music, Prime Video, Amazon Store, and Facebook. You can, of course, if you want, delete it by going to the app info and pressing uninstall, like that. Here in tools, do we have anything else? We have compass, recorder. We can open our Google Play Store, and it should work properly as well. And that's everything. So thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.